my role during the celebration, what is your role? You are really giving detail, right? A straightforward information is given. You say that what is your customer need? You identify front what is the customer need. Very simple: quality, quantity, standard, time, sustainability, and price. And what is the end product? Due to this value chain, you know, the different things, aspects of decision, develop, spend. And then the other one is space. We have given each space an explanation. What is the design? Very detailed. The pictures. Develop. Make. Market. Market this one. Market and service. Very clear, straightforward explanation in terms of value chain. And actually, when sometimes the students ask me something,
this is not very detailed. Explain.
detailed but very simple. Simple in terms of value chain. All in oil forms.
Did you create this thing or you took it from what is it?
I think you created. Yeah, so it's created, it's not taken from.
But it's okay if you take from somewhere else also, because the content is there. File besar. Itu pun dah bunga.
This will have some time. Some changes can be made. Changes can be done. And then you can submission. We don't
Lepas tunjuk slide aslan jangan cari kopi ke?
No, what this does is because the intent was, yeah, memang we want to do the minimum we can get fast. But here's an opportunity for you to get deeper, become more knowledgeable about the organization. But also, I would very strongly encourage, as you build, please share. That's why we have the empowerment process. Because you can reuse each other's materials, you see.
Mostly what you do, this is individual assignment, but you have an opportunity, you all come from the same organization. So you know India Gary has done it, then perhaps you can approach him, you know, and get how he has done it, ask for his advice or ask for his views, then we may standardize it. But mostly the master's program, when we do our master's, one come from that company, one come from police department, one come from Navy department, one come from some other companies and all that. But we still get into group. There is group assignments, but this is considered as individual. But still you can gather in terms of group.
Boleh?
Oh, this is a 6. Okay.
Just something like that. We'll run through quickly lah. Ini banyak private dia semua. Okay. This one I wanted to ask a question on this. Because when we say board of directors, these are board of directors for your own life. Because you're building a better scorecard for yourself. So I'm not sure, because when I saw this, did you get them to become your board of directors? No, serious. If you can do this, it's wonderful. If you can get this, very good. But it is meant to be people who now govern your life, who can help you to govern your life. But no, one key important person is the board of directors, which I always look for. If not there, I often want to question, not fail hard question, is your spouse. Yes. you don't have, then you CV lah. I can get you one. Another one, you know. No, seriously, I think it's very important to do this. Sometimes I know in spouse, certain things you want to share, certain things you don't want to share. There are some of my students say, you need to play show lah. But get them involved. Let us start now. I also expect you all to start working on this already. I know. Because the sooner you start keeping the information, the pictures, and the better it will be. I will again tell you this. Starting to do this always. I remember my first discussion with J. Zakaria on DOB. He got pissed off with me because he didn't do, and I was a bit tough. I said, if you don't do, I fail you. Actually, he was quite upset. But because I say I can fail you, okay, that's really how he started. The people, bila dah buat, in the end, he came and see me. He said, Farid, I got to thank you for pushing me. I said, why? He said, because something wrong. When I met my life, my family time so little, you know. Pasal we don't know. Bila kita buat macam ini, kita supplement. So we realize, not fair to the family. It doesn't mean we stop work and go to family. Tak ada. But you can blend, you know. You can blend. No, for example, I hardly spend time with my family. Tak ada, no. I'm floating from macam monkey, tau. Satu pokok ke satu pokok, satu pokok. Memang. Baru yesterday dekat Tambun. Pokok dekat Tambun, today dekat sini, Syalam. Next week dekat Jakarta. Then next week going to Beijing. Memang no time. So when I met, I said, I've got a problem, I've got no time, my family. So my decision was, I will bring my wife or my kid whenever possible. So when I travel, yeah, sometimes more money going to spend, but it's okay. Now I got a big problem. I cannot bring my granddaughter. By the way, I dapat cucu. Just last January 12. Kita share picture of it. Tapi now I cannot bring anything. So I've started to say, hey, tak boleh travel so much lah. But what I'm saying is, when you start to use tools like that, you suddenly be able to analyze. You can talk to Chesek. After they came to it, Chevarim, I'm very happy lah. I really thank you for forcing me to use this. Today, that's this. Dia punya proses lah. So again, this one nak start susah. Tapi once you start, nak stop susah. You see, no, it doesn't mean that next year you got to keep record. Bukan everything. You got to follow this model. This is just to start. Next time you will keep different ways, different process. We use e-book or something like that. But you start to look at life very differently.